Do you want to know who liked your Instagram post? Have you ever accidentally hidden likes on a post but couldn't remember how to undo it? In this video, I'll show you how to easily unhide likes on Instagram and see who has liked your post. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on the post that you previously hidden likes. So now what you want to do next is tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the post and simply select Unhide Like Count. And now you will be able to see the number of likes you received on that specific post. Let me now show you how to unhide likes on all of your posts. So to do that, tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then select Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on Privacy. And then, Posts. So now you will see an option called Hide Likes. If you have this toggled on, simply toggle it off to unhide likes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.